Okay, today is tutorial on how to be able to get this quality of pictures and stories and design using ChatGPT. Uh, it takes a long time and long way to feed the data to ChatGPT first. To get this took me days or even weeks until ChatGPT uh, able to figure and knowing my taste, what I want, how I want it. It at first it went with uh, error, mistakes, bad quality, wrong proportion, wrong face, and so on and so on. So this is not really my full account, but so it begins from this. This is lousy, man. It was lousy at beginning, and I have to fix the face. Because the face keep getting bulky and bulky. The face are bulky and dwarf. See, it's bulky, it's dwarf. These were the beginning of feeding the data to ChatGPT, right? So then ChatGPT growing and growing, recording my taste and everything, until finally ChatGPT capable of making this type of image, like the head size. Because at anime or at animation, usually people make the head oversized. So the head are oversized, bulky, and short nose, white face, and so on. Okay, so take a few times like this one the head is very big, so I keep telling ChatGPT, make the head smaller, make the face longer and the nose longer, and so on, until finally I get this, which is slow. Okay, and this quality here, the elf forest quality, is taken from the other account, but ChatGPT reading my Android. Even though I'm working and developing ChatGPT at the other account, ChatGPT reading from the Android memories, okay, and account related recorded in the Android. And this is the other account which I develop a lot. See, it's growing. This is how it's growing. Then I have another account which I will show you. Alright, so this one is a bit error. Like for instance, this one is a bit error. I feel it was so difficult to make long nose. This girl, the nose is too short, like a dwarf. So that's why I don't use it. And the head size is too big compared to the waist. Look at the waist. The waist is as big as the head, which is impossible. Even though it's beautiful, but the composition of the girl is out of normal. So this is how difficult it was to get this type of background, this type of Look at this, the couch. I wanted forest couch, and it giving me sofa, which is modern couch, which is totally stupid. So it's a wrong one, and I cannot fix it. This one has also wrong throne. The head and the waist also same big. So this one is nice, but I don't use it. I use this one. Then I use this one because of the hair. It has similar but different hair. So this one is wrong. The face broken. So it's getting longer nose and so on. So the depth of dimension and the background keep failing at first. I want the forest showing, the waterfalls, the background trees and wisteria on above. Those were difficult to achieve. This one is totally wrong. I want a balloon skirt. They give me the balloon skirt. This is the skirt I want, but still it's at wrong position. Okay, it sit on a fountain. So let me see. So this is the depth that I want. Okay, the depth of the location can show far behind the 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 model. And now here things getting way better, but sometimes wrong things happen. This one is the result of the other one, which turned out very good, but I have many mistake like this, many fail. Let me show you. Like this one is totally fail. The front is okay, but the background it's not even natural. It's like a pointillism painting, and I don't want pointillism and mosaic painting, so I don't use this one. This one also totally failed. It's beautiful. The model is perfect. The composition of the face, the hands, the body, it's very good. Even though I need the head a little bit smaller, the problem is the flowers broken and the background totally broken. It's become a pointillism and mosaic painting. This one also broken. This is broken. It's totally broken. Look at the water, the river on the back. It's totally broken. This one also totally broken. The head is way too big. The body is too small. The hands too short. This one has become a dwarf in very ugly planet. But finally, after a few times failure, I got it. I got the depth. This is the depth I want from the location. Look at the river. It's stretching way behind the model, like very far behind the model. And the flowers looking natural. The crown perfect. The dress also awesome, even though I want a little bit more flowers on the dress, but since there are so much flowers surrounding, even on the river, I take this as complete. The depth of this one is not far enough. It's beautiful, but the depth is not far enough. So the depth success at here. Okay, it's starting to reach far behind the model. That's what I want about the location until I got the rabbits and the other better background. So as you can see, it's not easy. It takes a lot of uh, test and trial. Failure, like this one also failed. This one is totally failed, man. Okay, the kimono also totally failed. Not as I wanted. These two, the head are too big here. The bottom two, and these are the beautiful uh, result from so much other failure and test and trial. I finally got here. Look at the waterfall behind the model. It's very far but very beautiful. It's foggy but clear to see the shape of the waterfalls and the flowers, the lotus on the water floating. So I finally got it. But remember, it took a lot of feeding and keep feeding the chat GPT of what we want and how we want it. It's not easy. Look at this here. This part, it's depth. It has light and fog and a bias of light make it beautiful. It's like a bias of light from afar behind the model. And the costume also taking a lot of time to feeding the ChatGPT until I can have this type of costume over and over and over again. ChatGPT will sometimes asking which type you like more, this type or that type. We choose and ChatGPT will record that, and in the future the ChatGPT will make the design as we choose. Okay, so so look at the detail of this one, the flowers wisteria above, the costume, the muscle. The muscle looks so clear. Even it has like look at this detail over here. See? Look at the muscle detail. It's perfect. It's perfect. And the birds, the waterfalls behind here with the glare of the light and flowers floating. So yes, to achieve this type of design, we must take a lot of test and trial and so on. This one, look, have I failed this one. This one is failed. This India all fail. I try to make India but all fail. So I don't have enough feeding about India, so I have a lot feeding about fairy. So at the moment I'm focusing at the fairy. Okay,